Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young.
Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. My name is Kimi, and today we are going to do an after dark kitchen clean with me. It is super messy. I had gotten done getting food in the oven. We had a chicken roast that night, and I'm getting over a toothache, so I don't know how much I'm going to be in the voiceover because when I move my mouth, I can feel it. So I wanted to share this with y'all though so that you can get some cleaning motivation today. And normally I post videos in the evening, but I figured I'm just going to upload this one whenever it's ready to go. So you may get surprised today and see a video up at like 3 p.m., maybe even earlier. Alright, so let's get the motivation going. The first thing I'm doing is putting away all the dishes, and then we are going to do the dishes. There are so many that need to be done because I have not washed dishes in like 3 days. I'm going to get our sink cleaned up, and I just used the Dawn Platinum dish soap to do so, and I'm using this little brush from the Dollar Tree. It does have a thing where you can put the liquid in, but there was one day that I filled it up with the green Dawn liquid, and the next morning I came in the kitchen and there was nothing left in it, so I think it had all leaked out. So I just use it more so for a little scrub brush. Alright y'all, before I got this spray out, I had to cut the camera because there was a wolf spider coming down from the ceiling right near where I needed to turn the water off. And it's been a while since I've had to capture a spider. And I recently got bit by something, and I don't know if it was a spider or just something else. So I was not playing any games. I grabbed a mason jar, scooped it up, got it outside real quick. I'm like, I cannot have you in my house.
It's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. 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 Say you think about me because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reason. Still, I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out. But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up. 'Cause without you, everything stops. I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright. But I knew it would not be easy, spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time to figure themselves out. But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit.
All right, y'all, here is the after. So much cleaner than it was before. And I slept good that night knowing that the dishes are finally all done. So I will see y'all back here very soon for another video. Here are some more videos if you need more cleaning motivation today. And I hope you have a great one. Bye.